A person would want to set up a trust because they want to leave clear directions to their family members as to what should happen when that person can no longer make decisions for themselves. A trust is a legal document that creates a relationship between you and a trustee and your beneficiaries. So you are appointing a trustee to handle your affairs for the benefit of your family members when you no longer can. I like to think of it as a little red wagon that's going to hold all of your property. Right now, if you don't have a trust, you're carrying your stuff. Maybe you have a house, maybe you have life insurance, maybe you have investments, maybe you have bank accounts, and you're carrying that around with you. But when you no longer can carry that, if you die or become incapacitated, everything gets dropped. The Colorado Department of Unclaimed Funds has over $500 million of other people's money that they're holding right now because they can't find the owners of it. And when you create a trust, what we do is we put your life insurance, your investment, your retirement account, your house in one little red wagon that you can carry with you, and we give your family members directions as to what the property is, where it is, how to find it, and how it should be distributed. A trust is a place to hold your assets. A living will is a document that tells healthcare providers how you should be treated if you are no longer able to make medical decisions for yourself. This talks about things like, should you be placed on life support? Should you be taken off life support? What medications you want to be able to use? Do you want experimental medications used on you or not? What are your wishes, and what should your family do if you can't make decisions for yourself? A will is a way to assign documents or to assign property to your family members upon your death. And if you have a very low value, you might want to consider just a will. If you don't own a home or don't have any property that has very much value, then your money could pass to your heirs without going to probate court. The disadvantage of the trust is if you don't keep it updated. It's very important that you have regular meetings with your attorney to update the trust and keep it up with current events that happen in your life. If you were to get married or have children or have grandchildren, you want to update the trust to include those changes. Creating a trust is really complicated. If you're not used to drafting them all the time, if you don't have specialized drafting software to aid in the creation of the trust, you're going to have problems. And you're not even going to know what problems you're going to have until it's too late. During your initial case evaluation, you'll come in and meet with me, and we'll go through your finances and through your family relationships and work with you to find out what your goals are and allow you to make decisions ahead of time so that your family doesn't have to make those decisions in a moment of crisis.